In this video, I'm going to build Ryan Trahan's favorite Airbnb in Lego, and even recreate parts of the video with minifigures of Ryan and Haley. The 50 States series has officially ended, and Ryan and Haley ranked Tritopia as the coolest Airbnb in America. So it's time to build it in Lego. Let's get started. Tritopia is a huge treehouse located in Oklahoma. I'll let Ryan read some of the features.
This treehouse is 3 stories tall. There is a 100-foot suspension bridge that leads to the treehouse. There's a sauna, swings, a glass floor that views all the way down, an outdoor movie theater, and this is the thing that to me is the most unbelievable, a 3-story slide.
I'm going to try to include all of these features in my Lego version. But first, I need a ground floor to start with. I built a simple base for the trees, and then built up the hillside where the rope bridge will later connect. Next, I began building the tree trunks. I used these bricks with studs on all sides to connect plates in a circular shape, creating 2 tree trunks which I added in place. I also added some branches on the trees for even more detail. Then I created this platform for the house itself, which I immediately removed to start building up some of the treehouse walls. When Ryan and Haley arrived to Tritopia, they had to enter using this rope bridge leading to the treehouse. So I built a Lego rope bridge and connected it to the hill. Honestly, I don't blame Haley for being scared. This thing is high up. Now minifigures can easily access the treehouse. As you enter, I included a welcome mat and even the clear glass floor that you have to walk over when entering Tritopia. I furnished the interior with lots of furniture and appliances, like a full kitchen for cooking up meals, dining table, lamp, fancy chair, and even the fireplace. Honestly, I'm not sure how a fireplace works in a treehouse, but Tritopia has one, so of course I had to add it. I also built the swinging bench in the living room. On the second floor, I added a comfy bed where Ryan and Haley can do daytime. Now that the interior is done, I can top everything off with some towers and little flags. At this point, the main house is looking pretty complete, but there are still a lot of features to add, like the hot tub. The Tritopia hot tub is suspended on a separate tree up in the air, connected with another bridge, which I built in Lego too. I filled the tub with 1x1 clear blue pieces, making this another amazing place to relax. To add to the vibes, I created some more leafy trees, making Tritopia feel like it is truly in the forest. Next, I filled in the forest floor with leaves and plants, then added the fire pit and chairs beneath the treehouse. Now Ryan has the perfect spot to chill and toast some marshmallows. You may think that at this point the build looks finished, but there are still a few more important features to add, like the outdoor movie theater. I connected the screen to the trees just like in the real Tritopia, making this the perfect place to chill and watch some Haley edits. The last important detail missing from my build is the best one of all, the slide. But before I build it, I decided to show you guys watching how to build a Lego Wheel of Doom and #1 Airbnb trophy of your own. The Wheel of Doom is super simple, starting with a 2x3 plate, and then adding a 1x2, a hinge plate, and another 1x2. Finally, add a transparent red piece on the front and surround it with tiles. The #1 Airbnb trophy is even easier to build. All you need is a telescope piece, a 1x1 plate, and this pointy triangle piece. And that's how to build some Lego Ryan Trahan accessories for yourself. And now it's finally time for the slide. I decided to use these curved tube pieces for the slide, which can be turned in any direction. Then I attached it to the build. Let's see if the slide works. Okay, sending Ryan down the slide. Let's see what happens. Oh my goodness, that's so satisfying. And there you have it, Tritopia, Ryan Trahan's #1 Airbnb in America, built in Lego. Subscribe or the Wheel of Doom will get you.